of Afghan forces to the political situation. And
what we have here is a 1920s vintage Magnavox horn speaker. It's an R3 Magnavox speaker.
Splintered over the idea of negotiating with the Taliban, which is what's happening, splintered along ethnic lines. Then the troops that
I'm using a Transistor Radio to drive this speaker. It's set on FM 88.5. I have a cord that plugs into the earphone jack, and the other end of this cord plugs into a repurposed watch box. Inside this repurposed watch box is a step-down transformer, which I use to impedance match with the R3 horn speaker. And it plugs into the input here.
Very much been a problem.
The R3 speaker utilizes electromagnet that requires 6 volts to drive it. It pulls between 3/4 and 1 ampere current. If I remove the power to the electromagnet, you can still hear the speaker, but it'll be quite subdued. I'm going to remove the power, and if you listen real careful, you'll be able to hear a subdued sound. In addition, when I remove the power cord, you'll notice a spark because of the current draw.
Not necessarily mutually exclusive. Like I did see a lot of the security situation where I was become better.
With the electromagnet energized with 6 volts, the sound is quite a bit louder.
Very rural area. And the security forces out there, you know, they were gaining credibility. They were gaining,
I'm going to set the camera down momentarily so I can open up the watch box and show you the step-down transformer. This is the inside of the repurposed watch box. I have a cardboard cover to protect the fine wiring that connects to the transformer. This cover here keeps the cords I'll store inside the box from breaking these little wires here. The step-down audio transformer I purchased from Radio Shack. It's about $3.
All right, Roy, thanks very much. Welcome home. All right, thanks a lot.
We'll put the cover back.
Next to this is Nick, and Nick's with us from Virginia Beach. Yeah, it's Nate, but that's all right. Oh, I apologize. Yeah, and I have to kind of echo what that gentleman just said. You know, I worked with Afghan forces in Helmand Province for Mostrak down in Marja. I worked with a section called the
Again, this is my Magnavox R3 speaker, early 1920s vintage, almost 90 years old.
And I think sometimes Americans may, or service members may compare Afghan forces to, you know, United States forces, and obviously there's a disconnect there.